All right, Dr. Fink here, and today we'll talk about testosterone, how it is produced, and how we can replace it when we are too low in testosterone. A lot of people have this misconception that a testosterone replacement is basically just doping, which has to be differentiated between testosterone abuse and testosterone replacement. Okay, in the case of testosterone replacement, we are just replacing the amount of testosterone that is a healthy level. Okay, that helps us keep our body function well. Okay, so now we have made a difference: doping and testosterone replacement therapy. And now let me explain how we produce testosterone in a healthy individual. So the main center where we start with testosterone production is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, which is located in our brain. The hypothalamus releases gonadotropin releasing hormones. Gonadotropin releasing hormones. And these will trigger the release of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone in the pituitary gland, which is also located in our brain. So they're just next to each other in the brain, okay? But the starting point is the hypothalamus, and from there we release the gonadotropin releasing hormone, and now we are in the pituitary gland, and here we release, in response to GnRH, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, LH and FSH. You probably heard about those hormones in the past. Now, this LH is especially important for our testosterone production because this will stimulate testosterone production in our testes. Okay, so luteinizing hormone stimulates testosterone production in the testes, and that's basically how we naturally produce testosterone in our body, for males that is. So now what happens if somebody takes exogenous testosterone from the outside? So if somebody would be to inject or take oral or cream testosterone, then we get in here the exogenous input of testosterone. Okay, so now our testosterone levels increase. But our body is very smart. So this increase in testosterone levels will be sensed by our system. And this is called the negative feedback. The higher our testosterone is, the stronger the inhibiting signals to the hypothalamus and the pituitary will become. So now we increase our testosterone from the outside and our levels increase, so our hypothalamus will think, oh, we have too much testosterone. We will stop testosterone production. And this happens when we basically do testosterone replacement therapy, but it can also happen when people take other androgens, other anabolic steroids, and the shutdown mechanism of the hypothalamus and the pituitary is basically the same. So exogenous testosterone or steroids, anabolic steroids, lead to the negative feedback to the hypothalamus and the pituitary. They will shut down or downregulate, and our own testosterone production in the testes will be very minimal or completely shut down depending on the dosage. That's why it is important to understand that whenever somebody starts with testosterone replacement therapy, this negative feedback on the hypothalamus and pituitary can happen. And most importantly, this negative feedback also applies to FSH, which is crucial for our sperm production. Okay? Sperm production in our testes. And when the FSH production is inhibited by exogenous testosterone from the outside, sperm production can also go down, and symptoms like infertility can occur. That's why it is very important to think about the long-term repercussions of testosterone replacement therapy, which can be testosterone replacement therapy can be a very beneficial therapy for our health, but it has also repercussions, especially for fertility in males. Thank you.